Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. It is another day and another place to travel. So we are on our way to a lovely place and you will really love it. Stay with me until the end of the video so you will see such a beautiful place that you have never ever seen. It is a bike tour. People are crazy about bikes and they really love to travel on bike. These are also some of my friends. They have joined us and we are on our way. We have stopped here to have breakfast. We are going to try local food here. I really love local food, you know why? The taste is very unique here. This is called pol roti and sambal. So either you can apply it on the roti or you can dip it and eat. Both way it's super tasty. What you really miss when traveling on a vehicle is this beautiful sights. This is a wonderful experience for you to enjoy the sights and also the climate. I guarantee you will miss this when you're traveling on a four-wheel vehicle. Here you have toilets and washroom also. So finally we have arrived to the place. We have to walk downstairs from here and the steps are a little bit slippery. Kena siang. These steps are too slippery. You have to be careful when you're getting down because there are small streams that runs through also, so you have a little bit take care of yourself. Wait. Huh? This is what they call zigzag steps. It's kind of a turning point here, so you have to turn and then again walk straight, turn again and walk straight. The difficult part here is climbing back up. I see so many people tired and they are resting in each and every places, so yes, we will have a very difficult time when we are climbing up. The pack kiya kiya na? मैं pack गाना है. Yeah, मैं आके भी pack लेगा. It's in half an hour walk downstairs. The distance that you have to walk down is 1 to 1.5 kilometer. See you all on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe.